Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So Honda has finally launched the latest generation of the Honda City 2020. So in this video we will see which variant is best for you and कौन से वेरिएंट में कौन से फीचर्स आते हैं. So stay tuned. So let's look at some slides. So talking about the Honda City performance specs, it gets a 1.5 liter naturally aspirated iVTEC petrol engine which churns out a healthy 120 horsepower. Top figures are 145 Newton per meter. Mileage claim ARAI is 17.8 km per liter for manual transmission and 18.4 km per liter for the CVT. And for diesel we have 1.5 liter diesel engine which churns out 98 horsepower and 200 Nm of torque, and the fuel efficiency is 24.1 km per liter. Standard safety features that we get from the V variant of the car are ABS with EVD, vehicle stability assist, emergency start-stop signal, 4 airbags, tire deflation warning, multiple rear camera with guidelines, rear parking sensors. Honda City exterior and interior, LED DRL with halogen headlamps. This is for the base variant. LED taillamp, silver chrome grille, R16 alloy wheels, machine silver, fabric upholstery, dual tone beige interiors. For the comfort and convenience, what we get at the City V, smart key with push button start, smart trunk lock with keyless release, auto AC, rear AC vents, tilt and telescopic steering, power foldable and adjustable over paddle shifter CVT, eco mode for CVT, driver seat height adjust. Honda City VX, what we get in addition to the V variant. We get 6 airbags with auto-dimming IRVMs, R16 diamond cut alloys, electric sunroof, leather steering wheel and gear knob, addition of 4 tweeters, advanced TFT instrument cluster, cruise control, walk-away locking, auto headlamps and wipers, rear reading lamp, lane watch camera. What we get in Honda City ZX in addition to VX are lane watch camera, advanced 9 LED headlamp and LED fog lamps, one touch up and down for all windows, remote opening and closing of windows and sunroof, ambient lighting and front map lights with footwell lighting, soft touch plastics with wooden accents, leather seat upholstery. Price matrix ex-showroom Delhi starts at 10.89 lakhs for the V variant and goes up to ZX CVT 4.44 lakhs for the petrol top of the line variant. For diesel it starts at 12.39 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi to 14.64 lakhs ex-showroom Delhi for the ZX variant. We do not get CVT in diesel variant, remember that. So Honda has priced the latest Honda City 2020 very aggressively, which we were not expecting at all. The car is loaded with features. From the starting of the line to the top of the variant, we get all the bells and whistles what you need in a really proper sedan. Honda City justifies what you get for the price and for the variant. So it's up to you which variant to buy and which satisfies you the most, because what can I say is every variant satisfies its price. So it's time to show some love, like, share and subscribe our channel Total Ship. Stay tuned for more. Keep watching.